Scanning Sector 7. Visual feed is live and clear.
Target city in sight. Initiating wide-angle surveillance sweep now.
Marketplace identified. Adjusting gimbal for a closer look.
The power is gone, but we must keep going.
Target acquisition confirmed. Subject 4 Alpha is on the move.
Layla, stay back from the road. I am coming.
Log entry. Subject 4 Alpha is active. Time is 0900.
A little sugar for the bitterness of the day. Steady, stay with me now, just a little longer.
Look at that. I've now wan into the Bahaina. Just the heart is still so bright.
One foot after the other, just get home.
The streets. Oh, God, they're inside my head now.
This will help you find your way back, Baba.
New intel, Miller. We have eyes on the asset moving tonight. Asset moving HVI tonight. Keep your eyes on that van, Miller.
It's just a ribbon. A splash of orange in the dust.
Careful with this one. It's the last of the saline.
Software lock confirmed. Heat signature is steady.
Be brave, Layla. I will be home before the sun sets. I promise.
Focus. Just keep the lock. Don't look away from the screen.
The road is clear. We must move quickly before the heat becomes unbearable.
Strike window Alpha is active. Countdown initiated now.
The road is long, but we must reach them.
Enhancing resolution. That ribbon is almost glowing on screen. Authorization code entered. Hellfire systems are now armed. Confirming lock. God help me.
Steady, steady. Stay steady, old friend.
يا الله سلامتنا اوصلنا بسلام.
Look at the thermal. That's not an HVI, it's a civilian doctor.
Please, let there be enough medicine for the children at the next stop. Grant them strength and safety.
Just breathe, Miller. Just focus on the air, one breath at a time.
Target vehicle stopped at checkpoint. 3 hostiles approaching. Thermal signatures are interacting now.
Do it. Just pull the trigger and end it. Make the decision for me.
I am a doctor, Dr. Salibi. These are medical supplies for the clinic.
God damn it, he's clear. The target is clear. Why is he still in the box?
Keep it together, Adnan. Just a few more miles. Steady hands.
There has to be something in here. Some reason to call this off. Collateral probability. However, low. Just a number on a screen.
Please, let the road be clear ahead.
Damn it, I'm losing the target lock.
Just a sip. That's this. Focus on the road.
It's the same brand. We are drinking from the same plastic well, thousands of miles apart.
The wind howls through the wings of the silent hunter.
10 minutes to intercept. Ensure the payload is armed and the target remains in the kill box.
This song, it sounds like a memory of a home that no longer exists.
I can hear it now. The sound of a world I will never touch.
A song for a ghost, a melody for the dying.
Just a few more miles, then we can help them all.
Target is not alone. We have a second vehicle approaching fast.
Wait, that's a second vehicle.
Well, I don't pass it. The profiles are merging.
Command, do you see this?
They aren't tracking the truck. They're using the doctor as the beacon. He's just the bait.
Please, not today. I have to reach the clinic. Why are they following me?
Multiple targets locked. No. Cancel the lock. Command, there's a civilian in the primary.
Turn around! Adnan, turn the damn van around right now! Get out of there!
Please, God, let me reach the clinic. Just a few more miles.
Target acquire. Fire on my mark. 3, 2, 1.
I can't see the difference anymore. It's all the same.
30 seconds. God help me.
Do you see us?
Stay still. Just stay still.
5, 4, 3.
Come on, let's do it. Right. God help us all.
Connection lost. It's over.
The feed is gone. There is nothing left but the noise.
Run.
Is anyone there? I need to move. I have to get to the clinic. Layla, please, let her be safe. I am coming. I am still here. I am still alive.
I did what I had to do.
The sun. It is sun. It is actually warm.
Almost home, Layla. I am almost there.
It is finally quiet.
We have everything we need.
One world, one sky. Goodbye.